Hi guys, it's Ordinary Beauty 07 and I'm getting ready to go to work, and I wanted to shoot a quick video over on something that was on my mind. There is an inspiration that I wrote out, and I wrote the inspiration out and I wanted to start doing that on my page as a way to give a quote or something that gives some type of inspiration for us when we're getting up going to work, or maybe we had a bad day today and we wanted to find something that would give us some kind of positive reinforcement. The one that I posted was "My strength comes from within," and of course at the beginning of the video you saw that picture that I had, and that's the one that I posted on Instagram. And I wanted to touch on that really quickly because I own a fitness studio for women, and so there's always things that we deal with that we think that we're the only ones, and that's totally not true. And I've been doing this for 6 years, so that means I've definitely heard a lot and had my own personal experiences with strength. And so one thing I wanted to touch on as far as strength, you know, we come into the studio, we're working hard, and of course when you're going to the gym, you're working hard, or you're walking, or you're dedicating your time to do something to get stronger. But you know, our strength really does, the strength that moves us to do those kind of things, or the strength that, you know, we gather, it definitely comes from within. It comes from a source. For me, it comes from God. I get all my strength from Him, and He is the one that helps me to push through my energy. Anything that I feel I can't do, I always ask for His help in doing that first. One thing I want to touch on is, I just want to say that we have to learn how to rely on our inner selves, and to be able to push through things that might seem hard, or maybe those naysayers that are saying that we can't do something, and we know we can't pull the strength from them, but we can definitely reach inside and pull it from ourselves and say, you know what, all we need is a nice little pep talk to ourselves. Sometimes you won't get that energy from someone else, and sometimes, you know, honestly speaking, people are not so nice and they don't want to see you gather the strength, or they just, maybe they don't have it themselves, so they don't have it to give. But either way, we have it. We have the ability to home in and to push through whatever it is we want to do. Perseverance. And as a matter of fact, every celebrity that I personally have read on and that I follow, and I'm not saying each and every one, but definitely Tyler Perry is one. I remember Sally Jessy Raphael talking about this, and just, you know, them being homeless. And I think there was one, there was another one, I can't think of their name right now, but I remember a lot of them were homeless, and they didn't have any place to stay. They didn't have anyone to go to get what they needed. And when you don't have those things, you have to rely on yourself in whatever higher power you are serving, or you look to, and you have to really pull from something. And so if you stay stagnant, you'll definitely stay where you are. But to know that there's a strength that just pushes you and that will help you if you just rely on it. And sometimes it's just giving it over. You know, sometimes we try so hard and we can't do it, and it just seems like everything, sometimes we got to stop, take a breath, walk away from it. I find that works really good for me. I'll walk away from it, I'll take a breather. It might be a few hours, maybe it's the next day, and then I'll come back to it. And once I come back to it, I'll feel so much better, and maybe at that time I'm refreshed. I find for me it's hard to come up with the most amazing ideas at night because I'm not fresh, but in the morning or during the day when I'm driving down the street, I know ideas come to me. When I'm not thinking about it, things just drop into my spirit, and I'm like, oh, okay, and it works. So for me, like I said, that's God. And you know, you have to find that strength. You have to find where that comes from, and where you are, you know, basically are not going to stay stagnant. You're going to push through it. So what I want to say to you is, the post said, my strength comes from within. So I do want you to know that no matter what you're going to do, whether you're going for a new job, or you're about to buy a house, or you're trying to do something for the first time, or maybe you're not feeling so well and you haven't been for a while, and or maybe you've been depressed, or maybe someone is not so nice and things are not so wonderful wherever you are, you know, whatever the case might be, just know that you have a strength. That strength that will push you over, right over the hump, and it will get you right to where you need to go, where you're set to go. If you keep pushing, you'll get somewhere positive. And I'm speaking from experience, not because of something that I just heard, but trust me, I have definitely had my share, as I'm sure everyone else has, of things and, you know, things that I thought I couldn't possibly do, and things that I'm really, really good at now, and I would have never thought that. And so when someone comments on the fact that I'm really good at something, I'll always tell them, if I had struggles with it, I'll tell them how hard it was for me when I first started doing it. That way they know that things don't always come easy for us. We have to push through. And sometimes those things that we push through, those are the most rewarding, because you're saying, I didn't think I could do it, and I did it. And look at me, I am good at it. So no matter what it is, just keep pushing. Don't give up. Know that your strength comes from here, deep, deep, deep in. And don't let anyone tell you can't do something, be something, go somewhere. You have to do you, because you only have one life. And after that life is done. And there's nothing more. So have a blast. Have a blast with life. Pour that strength from within. And I will see you guys later.